does suck though. It's like 30 degrees. It's cold. Man, I got stuffy nose and stuff. Wow, the ice is frozen. No way. It is. It's cold. Look. It's like kind of frozen. Is that like just a little bit of water, or is that like actually frozen? Yes, mud pit is still kind of strong. No, it's just like a little tiny thin layer of ice. This one's gonna be a scary one, guys, because his tires are gonna grip and probably throw me back or something. Okay, let's see here. She's not making it. That is, Jesus, that's too goddamn scary. Also, it's super slippery where it was, not catching. Yeah. It would slip until it caught, and then it would flip back, and that's what I was scared of, and it kind of did that, so. God damn. Yeah, hell no. I ain't doing that. Whew. Oh, the stand is giving up. Wow. That was just horrible. Nope. I don't want to do that again. Issue that I have right now is with the hood. I need to fix the hood now, so hike on back and yeah, fix the hood real quick and try to come back out. Don't think we're making that. First of all, my tires, holy crap, that's just no tread. So yep, I think we're gonna come back to that. Okay, back. Made it back. For some reason, it looks like this car needs air. Yep. The guy that we bought these tires off did say that one did have issues. Whew, it's cold. Cold out there. Like, cold. Really, anywhere I go, I keep my phone on me with this thing. Because I don't know if I'm going to break down. I'm now taking this to get the mail later. When the mailman comes, I gotta drive down to get our mail. 11:18. Okay, let's see here. The hood needs very much fixed. This is when I grab my work gloves because since we're cutting stuff using the stool, there's metal shards everywhere. So it's just safer to use. Yeah, stool with gloves, so yeah. Okay, got the stool. Foot pedals worked awesome. They absolutely worked flawlessly because I knew I needed those. Because for situations like that, that was sketchy. Sketchy, like horribly sketchy. And I didn't think I was going to do that until boom. I was almost on my back. Like, it actually scared me. Normally this thing doesn't scare me. Reposition that. Now I gotta just grab my filer with the file thing and file down this metal. How absolutely trash that the previous people decided to put this thing in. Why would you screw it in the fender when it sticks out that far? Oh my gosh. This also isn't the right hook for this tractor because that's a 12 horse for the motor. And this hood says 15. So yeah. That's what I'm trying to fall down. tire can stop catching it and ripping the hood. Gosh, it's hard to hold it. See, and then I take this up here, grab the hood. Run there. All done. Now it's just all muddy. Which I don't have a way to clean it right now except using a power washer, but it's too cold to run a hose line. So yeah. Just gonna do like this for a couple of months. Or like a month or two, yeah. I mean, hey, it's December 1st, and I just thought about that. I thought it was still September. Dude, it's December 1st. Christmas is in 25 days. Or 24. I don't know. I think it's 25. It depends on when you count, if you count Christmas Eve. I like to go to Christmas Eve because for me, Christmas Eve is also fun. Because normally we host Christmas, but I think someone else is this year instead of us. So I'm excited for Christmas Eve. Then I also count Christmas Day, so I say 24. Huh, nice. There isn't no cap. No cap. Ew. And blow it out. Grossiness. Let's blow out this tire. Jesus. It definitely looks way more rounded than beforehand. Definitely. Do 2 more pumps and I'll be done. You gotta worry about no cat, because there ain't no cat. Oh my god. Well, the guy that I bought this off of, which the wheels were $50, but then he dropped it down to 30 actually, because he said that they had a leak. I think it's this tire because it slowly leaks. Like, it's actually not bad, not as bad as the front tire, but yeah, $30 for those wheels was the best thing because it's pretty much for transition my little tractor into this big boy tractor, big boy mudding tractor. And then all the tread is filled with mud, which does suck, so I'm gonna have to like use the broom to at least just get this stuff out. Get all muddy. Fan. Towards the garage. Yeah, put the car in here. I definitely don't want to have the car have muddy wheels. It's a nice Monday, no school today. I got other kids are just playing video games, and here I am working on the tractor. That's what I want to do. So I decided to spend my day for, which I knew I was. I was planning it from yesterday. But I wanted to. I gotta move the tractor so I can actually get rid of all this stuff. Set you guys over here. See, watch this. See what I mean? Locks itself. Should not be that hard to actually pull it. It should be easy. Like when I bought it, you can easily just grab one finger and pull, but Now it's an actual, like, painful. Insane. Ugh. I want to run the camper. Gosh. I was going fast. I'm surprised it's even powering at those wheels. Okay, then just go mainly where the tires go. Okay, going back a little bit. Okay, well guys, I think that's it for today's channel. So this is gonna be a part 2. I accidentally ended the other video. So there's gonna be part 1 and part 2. Part 1's when I work on it, part 2 is when I off-road, which is part 2 right now. So Jeeps, 2 bikes, peace out.